Microphone, script, 0 o'clock to 0:45, 0 o'clock to 0:05 visual, revving engine, burnout, sleek muscle car speeding down a track narrator, hyped tone, think the engine is dead. Think again. 0:06 to 0:15 visual, Toyota Supra drifting, Dodge Challenger roaring, Mustang GT on a sunset highway narrator, these are the beasts still burning fuel and breaking necks in 2025. 0:16 to 0:25 visual, HUD pop-ups showing turbocharged V6S, supercharged V8S, high revving inline 4s narrator, Toyota GR Supra, balanced precision. Mustang GT, raw American muscle. Dodge Challenger, torque king of the streets. 0:26 to 0:35 visual, POV driving footage, aggressive gear shifts, downshifting sounds narrator, they're loud, fast, unapologetic, everything an EV isn't. And they're still turning highways into racetracks. 0:36 to 0:45 visual, cars lined up, cinematic sunset shots, gearheads nodding in approval narrator, closing line, engines aren't extinct, they're evolving. Fuel up. This ride's far from over.